as a company, we are trying to develop and help the companies in getting better solution in the digitalization. We are living in a new era of the digitalization, and my company, after the pandemic, focused on creating a better environment for the small companies, small and medium companies, more on small companies, and help them digitalizing the processes that they have in production, also to digitalize their service. No matter what kind of environment we are, we need to have some data that we're basing on. So the problem that we are solving is to resolve. They have issues in taking information from the production and transfer them to have a real time the product deliverables. So they have an order, and after that order, they create a product. But starting from the order production, they were doing this on paper. So we try to eliminate. We are trying to eliminate that on the first, and then we come and automate the process. So the innovative part of the solution is providing a solution, a digitalized solution in an industry that digitalization is like extremely low.
We are specialized in business development. We are specialists in business, in sales. We are specialized in integration of projects, meaning that we talk with big companies in order to understand their needs. And according to their needs, we identify the best software solution for them, and we bring the suppliers, we bring the software companies to deploy and to implement the solutions. This was a first attempt to develop a product in order to let a company knows in what their resources are, what their consumptions, and how they can intervene during the process in order to control it effectively in real time. This is OPTIA. This is optimization by artificial intelligence. That what we was our intention, and this is the core of the product. In order to give a tool to an end user like Rofelix, who actually is producing woodworking tools, to have a clear image about their order management, about their supplying, about their production planning, about their warehouse management, and things like this. This OPTIA basically is something that automates the whole process line and give the possibility to an end user to know what is important about his job, and to know what is going on right now in the whole process, in order to be able to intervene in real time and to correct everything that can work wrong. That's the idea of OPTIA.